Hey, Tim, had a good question come across from Mark here, and I think we've talked about it in some previous webinars, but not necessarily on the one today. So often, either the mold builder or the foundry isn't chosen during the design process of the part. So how would somebody manufacturing the part like uh, you know, work with that customer or the design that is presented at that time?
That's a great question. And today, I'll use the term cross-functional teams that are implemented so that designers don't design anything in a complete vacuum by just looking at structural mechanics and and other disciplines that go into developing a functional component. So early in the design stage, there's a material selection process that the designers should go through in conjunction with their purchasing and supplier quality groups in order to understand the best DFM capability of the part and what needs to be done. In other words, can this part be cast in sand, or does it need to be produced in permanent mold? And knowing a little bit about heat transfer and physics and material science, we know that sand may be giving us a part with lower mechanical properties, which I'll talk about in the next slide, versus permanent mold, which is what the designer may be looking for. So in the software itself, there's a number of opportunities to do a what-if analysis very quickly by interchanging molding media, for example, and some of the basic process parameters without really knowing every nuts and bolts of the foundry business and technology, to be able to get a qualitative and furthermore quantitative understanding of how the part will react to the process.